Alright, you guys. We're gonna work in road construction. So all you gotta do is to scrape all the liquid off the bricks, like from the Wizard of Oz. Follow the yellow brick road. 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 We're off to see the wizard, the Waffle Wizard of Oz. Jason, cut the shit out. So, we're gonna work all the road construction of a new water fountain. Yeah, that's right, baby. We're getting a new water fountain. So all we gotta do is put the construction of a brick. Welp. Go sit down and relax. I'm gonna grab a Chick-fil-A. Bye.